Hello friends, welcome to English Elise. In this video, we'll discuss 10 most important current affairs of 3rd January 2022. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer CEO of the Vistara Airline in January 2022? The answer is Binod Kanan. Binod Kanan has been appointed as the new CEO of Vistara Airline. Okay, and it is an Indian full service airline based in Gurgaon. And Vistara is a joint venture between Tata Sons Private Limited and Singapore Airlines, and their shares, the ratio of their shares is 51 is to 49. Okay, 51 is to 49. Then question number 2. Which of the following country scientists have discovered 77 new species beneath Antarctica ice shelves in January 2022? The answer is Germany. The scientists of Germany have discovered 77 new species. Okay. Then question number 3. Which country has opened the world's longest metro line of a total 831 kilometers in length in January 2022? The answer is China. China has the world's longest metro line, whose length is 831 kilometers. Okay. Then next question. On his first official visit to the islands, who has inaugurated 2 colleges of arts and science in Kadmat and Androt Islands in Lakshadweep on 2nd January 2022? The answer is Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. M. Venkaiah Naidu, it was his first official visit to the islands. The name of 2 islands are Kadmat and Androt, which are situated in Lakshadweep. Okay, and he inaugurated 2 colleges of art and science. Then question number 5. In which state the 81st All India Industrial Exhibition, whose name is NUMAIS 2022, was inaugurated? In which state? The answer is Telangana. In Telangana state, the 81st All India Industrial Exhibition, whose name is NUMAIS 2022, was inaugurated. Okay, and it was inaugurated by Telangana Governor Tamilisai Sundararajan. Okay, and Telangana Home Minister Muhammad Ali was invited as the chief guest. Then current Chief Minister of Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao, and he served as the Union Minister of Labour and Employment in Government of India from 2004 to 2006. Then question number 6. World-renowned conservationist Richard Leakey dies at 77 in January 2022. He belongs to which country? The answer is Kenya. Okay, Richard Leakey, he was the world-renowned conservationist, and he died at 77, and he was from Kenya. And the capital of Kenya, Nairobi, and its currency is Kenyan shilling, and Kenyan president Uhuru Kenyatta. Okay. Then question number 7. In India, the vaccination for the children has started from 3rd January 2022. What is the age bar for vaccination of children? It is 15 to 80 years. Okay. Then question number 8. Which ministry has released a draft National Air Sports Policy NASP for public feedback on 3rd January 2022? It is Minister of Civil Aviation. Okay, Minister of Civil Aviation has released a draft NASP for public feedback. Okay, and who is the Union Minister of Civil Aviation? It is Jyotiraditya Scindia. Okay. Then question number 9. With a 43% growth rate, which state has topped the GST collection in December 2021? The answer is Odisha. Odisha state has topped the GST collection in December 2021 with a 43% growth rate. Okay, and it has collected rupees 4,080.14 crore during December 2021. Okay. Then question number 10. In which of the following state Defence Minister Rajan Singh has inaugurated the Kalpana Chawla Center for Research in Space Science and Technology in January 2022? The answer is Punjab. In Punjab state, Defence Minister of India Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the Kalpana Chawla Center for Research in Space Science and Technology. Okay, and he also announced a rupees 10 crore scholarship scheme for the children of defense personnel. Okay, friends. Friends, if you like this video, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel as well as press the bell icon for more videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.